doesn't like a good movie where the character goes through the harsher struggle of his life, overcome them, succeed to become a hero? This is the typical journey of a hero. Hero like we know it. We like heroes. We like to identify ourselves to them. We want to be heroes because they simply define the limits of our aspirations. Truth is, they represent the qualities we would like to possess and the ambitions we would like to satisfy. This is the side of the picture we are obsessed with, to the point that we forget what truly makes a hero. Heroes don't begin as heroes. In his book, The Hero with a Thousand Faces, Joseph Campbell reminds us that a hero isn't a perfect person who always gets things right. Far from it. It's actually someone who found or achieved or did something beyond the normal range of achievement, and who has given his life to something bigger than himself or other than himself. They typically start out leading ordinary lives in an ordinary world, and that is before they are drawn by a call to adventure. This leads them down a road of trials filled with battles, temptations, successes, and failures. Along the way, they get help from people who are further along the journey, like mentors, as well as those who are far less along. They overcome their fear of fighting because of their great determination to achieve what they want. They get new skills from the battles. They learn a lot from their failures, gain experience, grow stronger, build more confidence. Over time, they both succeed and fail, but they increasingly succeed more than they fail. Heroes always experience at least one very big failure. The one that tests whether they have the resilience to come back and fight smarter and with more determination, or give up and go home. If they pass the test, they undergo a change, which they experience the fear that protects them without losing the aggressiveness, the fire that keeps them going. Only then they will reap their biggest reward, which is the special knowledge about how to succeed that the hero has earned through his journey. This is not something you can get access to by reading a book, taking a course, watching a video, or having a mentor. It's a do-it-yourself task. If you want the reward, you gotta go through your own journey. You have to choose your adventure, what you truly want to be, and don't let anyone choose it for you. You have to own it so that when things get hard, you know why you're fighting. Fight your own battles, meet your own failures, learn from them. You have to confront your deepest fears. You have to grow to become your own hero. I will end this video with a quote from Mark Cuban. It doesn't matter how many times you fail, you only have to be right once, and then everyone can tell you that you are an overnight success. Thank you for watching.